Hey guys, Hannah family lawyer, here with today's pro tip. And today, I want you not to set yourself up. And this could take on so many meanings in the divorce process, but I'm talking about specifically when it comes to drafting your divorce decree or your custody order. So, people come to me when it's time to get the decree done, and they have all these good ideas of provisions they've heard that their friend got in his or her decree, right? Like a morality clause or a right of first refusal clause. And those may sound like a good idea, right? So the morality clause is essentially that your ex cannot have anyone, or you, right? It's usually mutual, be in their house between the hours of 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. And the goal is to keep paramours, new boyfriends, new girlfriends, whoever, from spending the night when the kids are there. I'm like, well-meaning, well-intentioned, I get it. We don't want people just walking in and out of these kids' lives. But don't set yourself up with one of those. Because once you're divorced, the biggest hurdle you have to overcome in the beginning is learning that you're not in control anymore. You're not in control of that person. You're not in control of how they parent. You're not in control of what they're going to do on their time at their house. And let's talk just specifically about the morality clause. And the only way you're going to know if that morality clause is broken, unless you like hire a PI, right, is if your kids tell you, right? And that's going to set you up because you're going to be asking your kids lots of questions, and you're not supposed to do that. You're going to be saying, hey, was anybody over at daddy's house this weekend? Was he there the whole time? Oh, Jill was there. Miss Jill was there. Well, what time did she leave? And then you're putting the kids in the middle of this whole situation. And then what? So say they violated it and you find out from your kids. The problem is you're going to then get to court. Your evidence is going to be hearsay because the kids are telling you it. That's the only way you know, right? And then you've set yourself up to look like that bitter, disgruntled ex that he says that you are anyways. So when it comes to those extra clauses, and other lawyers may disagree with me, but I say keep them out. Like, go with what's more standard. Don't set yourself up to have to exercise restraint or to have to enforce this stuff, because it's only as good as it's enforced. So you could put that in there and okay, so it's violated. Well, what are you going to do? Are you going to go to court and seek what from the court if it's violated? So when it comes to drafting and getting that final decree done, now is not the time to be creative. Generally speaking, it's different with custody possession schedules, but it's not the time to be creative. It's not the time to think of all the ways you can be sure that things are going the way you want. They're not gonna go the way you want. That's your plot ruiner. It's not, and you gotta let it go. So when it comes to drafting, don't set yourself up.